Welcome to Pow Town. We could be lucky, but we need a bit of luck. And it is that first good morning from Japan on skis. And I've got my favorite one and only vlogger here. It's so nice to see him struggling with the camera.
Oh my gosh.
We have Bucket and Benny on the lift behind us.
Woo! Hype level is high.
Hype level is high. However, the major snowfall that we hoped for didn't really happen because it's been warm. So that means very little snow here at the bottom. But with some luck, it could still be good up top. So that is really what we are hoping a lot for. So we're gonna go to the top, check it out. And either way, it's a great day. We're on skis among friends and, you know, life is good.
Why do I feel like I linger between the...
And we are up here, and the big storm we hoped for did not arrive, but it is kind of beautiful with the sun out.
Yeah, we probably have like 20 centimeters up here.
Yep, solid 20, so we're just gonna drop in, have fun, and it's gonna keep snowing, so we're all good. Stokometer up here!
Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the river.
Don't follow me! Yeah, go that way. I'm coming soon! Knowing where to go when you ended up where you're not supposed to be, crucial. Cannot go down, gotta get up, it's pretty tough. I'm coming soon, I'm trying to just get out of this little mess. Go left! Right puts you in the creek. Okay, so last night's snowfall did not live up to the expectations, and I think it's better that we spin straight to tomorrow because the snow is supposed to keep on falling and we want to show you some true Japanese powder. So while these guys make it out of the riverbed, we are gonna spin straight to hopefully a kick-ass powder day. Oh. Oh. Okay, trying again. Oh. That's what I call a snowstorm. Hey, see, we bomb her and see what's up. Right? Yeah! That's what I'm talking about.
Really good.
Yeah. And that is just the bottom of the mountain sucking. Oh, hello.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. Gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose
so we realized that the top lift is probably not gonna open, so we are trying to go around the system and find whatever's the best to be found today. But it is a full snowstorm out here, which means the back of that is gonna be incredibly awesome once the dew opens up. But we're pretty cold, all of us. We're not really dressed accordingly. Yeah, we should hike, try to find some goodies. Still so nice to be out in the mountain though. So what I'm thinking,
What are you thinking?
is that that is a whole bunch of ski patrol, so we should probably wait here. Powder! Hello! How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, nice! How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'm very happy.
you. Nice. So much snow. So not open today?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe open?
Yeah, maybe no open.
Maybe no open.
Yeah,
Could you tow us up there?
yeah.
That would be great. Huh?
That'd be fantastic.
Yeah,
But it's okay to go like this?
yeah,
To ski,
yeah,
go on the traverse?
yeah.
Yeah? Then that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look for the traverse.
Thank you.
Super photographer.
Hey.
Hey!
Say papa.
Papa!
Boom.
Thank you.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Well, I say we go and try to find some turns.
Takashi Monaco.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Super nice to meet you. We see you soon. They said we couldn't hike the top, but we can go like this. I was sure when he was coming with the snowmobile that we were getting yelled at.
Different impression out of that.
I'm like, oh no, we're getting into problems. And we now know that whenever we get to where we want to be, there's a lot of snow.
Here we could have
You got it, Benny. The last 10 meters. I know. Fat Camp 2018. Good job. Yes. Woo! So we realized, God, there's just snow everywhere on every single camera we have. But we realized that there is nothing epic that you could just ski off the lift. So we've been walking for 25 minutes now. But now I think we're gonna get the epic. And Benny's got the snow on his mustache. The mustache is coming for you.
That's just for the style.
The question is it worth the hike?
No question. Yeah.
It turns out that if you search a bit and walk a bit, you can find the goodies. So I think there's only one thing we can do, and it's to go back up there and do it again. what Warner would do?
No.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Okay, now I think I can relax a little because we flew all the way to Japan with one single goal, and that was to ski really deep powder. Check box!
Claim it.
Claiming it. It was fantastic.
But dude, that was the best skiing I think I've ever had. Like straight up.
It doesn't really have to be any better. We're okay with that.
So good.
Any more and we'd be dead. So with that, we are just gonna end the vlog because if this is what they call an average ski day in Japan, then first of all, they're crazy, but it also means we should get some good sleep and get rested and ready for tomorrow.
Oh, camera.
Yeah, I know.
Kidding.
So as you see, look at this. It is snowing more and more and more. So that is a quick good night from Japan, and we'll be back with more epicness.
Hi.
Hi.
Arigato.
Ooh, we love the snow. Our flights love the snow too.
But you, dude, you forgot to tell everyone to go back to my channel.
Oh! He said he wanted to use it for his ending. Yeah, of course. Check out Warner's channel below.
Dankeschön.
Was that good enough?
That was sick.
I'm thanking you.